Yo guys, and today I'm gonna play a game. It's called Will You Press the Button? Let's start. You could have a dragon as a pet. Okay. It would be unpredictable and could kill you anytime. I will not. I don't wanna be dead. Yes, 50% of people are with me. Next. You're a musical prodigy from who performs all the world with no need to practice. You're only allowed to eat plain white bread because everything else kills you. I will not. Yes, 56% of people are with me again. You get any video game you want for free as soon as the development ended. Even before official release, you only have 2 fingers. What the fuck? On every hand, including thumbs. You get to choose which you want. I will not. Yes, 60% of people are with me. You are transported to the Pokemon world. You may never age above 12. Never. Yes, I will press the button. 58% of people are with me. I'm winning right now. Being immoral and immune to every way that could harm you, including nuclear, energized weapons, bacterial disease, poison, etc., any kind. But every day you live in misery because you can't even feel pain and try to kill yourself, yet feel every single time. I will not. I don't want to fail every single time. 50%? No, there are 8 more people have. 8 more people have pressed the button. You become the new king of an old, forgotten kingdom and bring it to new glory. Your family is murdered by your allies. You're shot 7 times through the chest with crossbows, and your entire kingdom is destroyed overnight. I will not. Yes, 70% of people will dominate. Next. You can sing, play an instrument perfectly, a single line in any song. 4 bars of music you perform is delivered dreadfully. You never know which line it will be. You mess it up. I'll press the button, I guess. No, 46% of people have pressed. You can travel through time, forwards and backwards. You can stay over a month. Yes. Yes, we dominate, man. 89%. Next. You find your one true passion in life. You become a no. 42%. You can fly for any amount of time. You are tragically afraid of heights. No, I guess. No, I got dominate. You gain superpowers. You are a monster and everyone rejects you. Yes, I want to have superpowers. 48%. Now I'm losing so much. You could be lazy without judgment. You could never dream while sleeping. Yes, I guess. 54%. Yes. You become completely immoral if humanity hasn't made it to interstellar travel and sun has gone supernova. You will drift to space alone, still unable to die. I'll sleep, I guess. Yes. 50%. Yes. 49 more people have pressed the button. I've won this. You become the most known person in your country. You become the most known person in the rest of the world. If you talk to someone that's not from your country, they forget you. This is really hard. I guess I'll not. I don't know about you guys, but I will not. Yes, 51%. Only 2% more have pressed the button. I have not pressed the button, sorry. You married the girl of your dreams. You have to go to war for 10 years. No. Just for a girl? No, man. 53% have not. Yes. You can have your dreams close. Once per week, they turn into your worst nightmare. Not again. I don't really like nightmares. 51% have not. Next. You can change the side of your dick. Boobs at will. Everyone will know about it. No, what the fuck? I will not change my dick. 63% have. What the fuck? You have 12 fingers, including thumb, instead of the normal 10. All of your toes are big toes. What? No. Lose-lose situation. Yes, come on. Humanity will never cease to exist. You die after pressing the button. I don't wanna die. I pressed the button. I did not die. Yay. 59% of people haven't? What the fuck? What the hell is this? No. 50%. I just did it random. Let's do a random one. Will. Random and I get dominated. Everyone will find you attractive in real life. You will look like shit on pictures, movies, anything media related, to the point where people think you are disgusting. Well, if they see me in real life, they think I'm attractive, so I'll press the button. 50%? No. Like 178 people have not. The ability to see well in darkness and resistant towards cold. Sunlight irritates your eyes and you are prone to sunburn. No. Yeah, this is it, guys. I hope you like it, and let me know if you want a part